Drummers, musicians, YouTubers, drum teacher Tim Connolly is here today. Welcome to Tim Connolly Drums. This is the third video in my new relaunch, and I'm super excited to be here today to teach you a fantastic lesson. What we're going to be doing today is 16th note grooves, single-handed, 10 of them, single-handed, and then the same grooves double-handed. So 16th notes are going to be the consistent pattern throughout, single-handed, double-handed, 2 and 4 on the snare. The bass drum will be changing between syncopated 8th notes and syncopated 16th notes. So that is going to be our lesson for today. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to explain the breakdown of the lesson. We're going to be playing like 16th notes on the hi-hat, single-handed, then double-handed. Bass drum is going to be syncopated, some 8th notes, some 16th notes, snare drum on 2 and 4. And as far as the written music goes, which will be in the top left corner, everything is going to be in 2/4 time, just because it was difficult to fit all those 16th notes onto the screen. A little bit tricky. So I just wrote it out in 2/4 time. So let's get started with these grooves. Okay, so that was the first group of 16th note patterns. Now we're going to play the exact same bass drum patterns again, snare on 2 and 4, but now we're going to go to hand-to-hand sticking. We're going to speed the tempo up. The first tempo was 82 beats per minute. The second tempo is going to be 122 beats per minute. Let's get to it. Okay, so those are the 10 16th note grooves that I wanted to work on today. 5 single-handed 16ths and 5 double-handed 16ths. Please like and subscribe, comment. Let me know what you're interested in learning. I'm taking them a step at a time, starting with mainly beginner type lessons and working my way along, but I've got tons and tons of great ideas and lots to offer. I want to thank all my new subscribers and anyone that watches. Maybe you don't subscribe, but if you feel like you're interested in learning about this wonderful instrument of drums and music, please hit that subscribe button. There's going to be so much more coming. Thanks a lot for tuning in. See you next time. See ya.